Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a content creator on YouTube and you want to stop sending notifications to your subscribers for certain videos, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable notifications for your uploads so your audience isn't overwhelmed. Let's get started. Start by clicking on Create and then Upload Videos. Then choose the video file you want to upload. Once your video is uploading, scroll down to the License section. Click on Publish to Subscription Feeds and Notify Subscribers. Untick the tick box. Once this is done, your subscribers won't get a notification when this video goes live. This is perfect if you want to quietly upload a video without making a big splash. And don't worry, your subscribers can still find it if they're looking for it. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now, you know how to disable notifications to your subscribers when uploading a video on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.